To make this mini desk, I marked out curves with a framing square, then used a jigsaw to cut one timber panel for the top and a longer one as the back. I made a hole for cables, then added brackets to join the panels, securing them through the back. To make the frame, I cut strips of thin plywood across the grain so they would bend around the curve without splitting. I applied adhesive and screwed the strips onto the panel, clamping before, repeating the process to create 3 layers, offsetting the screws for each. I filled in the holes and sanded all over, then installed a dowel rail, primed, painted and popped in a cable duct. I mounted the desk using a 2-part hanging system with furniture glides added to the corners to keep it flush with the wall. It now makes a very cute and compact charging station for all my devices.